Hi, GC News. Bema Obibia Akwaba. I had the latest and hot news in Kwa. And I'm the Bremo Enuti. Se wunyan subscribe we have more say over subscribe to the channel no. Now the way I say over click the subscribe button no. Now our belly notification no. We are a video for be upload. When the first person I would say a can be. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer for sooner when you be now water. Afi yenko eye ensema beto ye ponso eye Appiah Stadium no ope John Dramani Mahama asebie pa na watutu bi dia mane eye Kwame Sefa Kayi obekaya eye A+ edi nsimbi betu bia efa Kwame Sefa Kayi na Appiah Stadium gina so atutu bi dia mane chese A+ abeku de nima sepoto chese mebi atwemu no mo base bia na wani tashia ho de wani shia ene joti ene apatashi de ene wani be fine. Na no na Appiah Stadium tutu ma za okoyesa ne ma we nyina ba na betan already so a na je otutu bi ma ne eye Mahama Akufo-Addo ne na mamu o ma se o ma ye se de nyima boye din ene de onka ho asem na A+ ko ka ho asem a o tese eyo ma bi anko yo kun kura da ne Appiah Stadium wan fanya akwadro o tu bi ma ne eye Kwame Sefa Kayi numu na de eye Kennedy Agyapong ho asem so e tie mu na ye semre no entetemara yenkuti eye Appiah Stadium nti ensema wali tuga Afriyie Kwame Sefa Kayi nti Appiah Stadium nsema nti no
abrado ti land e fe no then da o say e man 24 hours se omra bonti se ntro kakraka utwa to me so se me de ba komensia MPP4 o na be NDC flag akoro machi mu mabum e prepare me lenda o say abrewa na neni ba ko abono na oni nyansani na ma eya bra yeti abeso ni nyansani na ma eya akare se President Mahama ni papa before na anye careful ninya sabi ma kasetia ti metie bi papa President Mahama president ni nyansa enye sa calendar o say oba fisho say ko ni nyansa sen enka sama kene mande kamebe kanchero kamebe ebe wo hunyina manaka uneke na otu nsu ajare na ho bonka na asante se ohoho na wi Akukwa Annan ni abo ohoho na wi Akukwa Annan ni abo na ka fisho say ka wo fa ototo ka Appiah Stadium be ka ho ye last stop me se wo ba fisho say woni minyansa se won nda say ka kamebe wo nsi ayi uneke na kama wa no na kaneke hu ye so obitu kwa abrochira na kan ye hu ye ofa ye hu ye sewa ye hu ye nana e bia 5 years 10 years hu na no ani age ene de makotra abrochira sa abrochira mu firi akwa e tse ye na motia de bia mote kamrem ana nsem hu ko tompo mi Akufo-Addo ne na ban amabu bone no mo ba 1.5 year no mo chi mi e ko 7 years now the whole picture Akoto social media di matem na ni wo firi bia ro wote abrochira hoko ofa nsuo so rekwe na me obi kama sanam de ya no esi ofiri obi awia ba wura de me so Jesus Christ eji le no sai utu nsuo adwale mama ba pia se so ho bon ka kan se ba ka me be ka kire wo oba fi sho se na afa meire na ka se ba ka me be ka kire wo ka me be wo hu nyina once again Kwame Sefa Kayi A+ ya pa wonto ma Kwame Sefa Kayi wasem pantre na dwo me be kasa Kwame Sefa Kayi na aka kire A+ say eye o ma hu so ke kunu no o boy Akufo-Addo abachi o Kwame Sefa Kayi wo so ye journalist Kwame Sefa Kayi A+ gu ani masi wo se wonnum apetesene jots wonnum apetesene jots sa apetesene jots Kwame Sefa Kayi no betra radio so anopa na wo gro NDC ni jo ma na ye 11 ma na wo yi concert no A+ wonnum jots ni apetesene de woni afira apetesene na o ka betra abambone dollar ya mmeneye Akufo-Addo no wa ban wo do to board so na ma dollar ene bi dwuma nyina gu petrol yentimento ultiminka cement yentimento ugo data cement ya ene ko e papa no data cement ni cement ba Akufo-Addo man bo Mahama ta na 23 ene du 1.1 Kwame Sefa Kayi ultiminka sa A+ job apetese na nya despite group but despite the radio ni TV obun kwa bamboni Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia mamu boni obun kwa do ultiminka A+ se wonu nyina le MPP aduma wo jai wo be ka kire ne se ama bi atia bontuo ekunu Kwame Sefa Kayi ya te Ghana ha Ken Agyapong si when him obi oku ameswale. Once chero. Na botetia wa nsem hura nsem ahia Appiah Stadium to me leave mu. Me better papa bi na Nyankopon ne madofo ma me wo wiase mani die mu. Na o ti abroche se ya ti Appiah. Na Akufo-Addo ne ba wo ya chi mu. Wo ba ti se ma ya de me ma bokro no. Ma ko repu akura ma ton ko ke. Wo probia chi na ko Ken Agyapong so ni mo bi oku ameswale abrantie na me bi timoto ya bodu to nya man Ghana na ne kure Akufo-Addo ne Bawumia ma mu e de kura sa. Nko do kura sa. The could be of our idea about the sea of $5 million. So I mean, they would put them. Now, some Naira. What we're going to do, what is a Miyachime? Akufo-Addo na Oba Konyaso 1 year time. Nenkwala TSC ready to be president, Mahama, president, Onimunyansa on your crop for president, Onimunyansa on your president, said, wait, Jimmy. Now, me care the suture, Akufo-Addo no cofo, and on Bachimi. No matter for video that rabbit was a Yachimi. Watch me. Now, Poko did you come and come out of Yachino? Na podi di kwa osaje fo Kwame Nkrubo je fa hudi ma Ghana ya chiro be ka je ya chimi ya mo check mo o from Mahama ba Appiah Stadium ni o from Mahama ba de no wiwi eni fa me ya
na say muntem obi mu say na me o mu si me didi Sefa Kayi atem na nkrofo kan na Kwame Sefa Kayi na is a foolish man tie ni ye enye dana post na me ye no na ye issue no sa da no na bibie nsie ma bona to ho since 2017 me say obi en sa wo ya ade a memfa deadline to ho wa ya ade ma ye din man kasa sa wo ya ade a na se me man respond ya memfa nse otrim se metwa so asem na ade na wo ye no deadline ni ho me be respond you to make me respond 5 years later na me wo ma ade a meye wu bi Meye will be in one way or the other. Meye will be Ghana for pesa suban no meye wade a minim sa de na meye na yo ba ye din na me fan ye wo no bi anka so ye ni papa me ye ni pa bonini me ye ni papa Kwame Sefa Kayi way back 2017 obi anti asem na me kan ye na ye wadanfo bi owo apeteshi ba bi wo Roman Ridge munim Asmera wudu Asmera we be Tennessee Roman Ridge shopping akenu we Tennessee and we Asmera straight road in maintain straight left her I say o my block bi o na wa down for bi Bismarck or apetishi ba bi she ho ewia ho na ekofa appetite na the Asmera what I say metihwa na Sefa Kayi bai o bebo na ne jot ne nsa metihwa no bai na senkena eyo obi ankan yameya but those days na me nom jot no onza me come no me nom jot na me jaye those days na me nom jot no me no tena ase me ba ko na ma bo me jot so yi wodie so me and you we are on that level what I say wo ye nua pani me ye wo nua ketwa mtie ni you from 2017 besin there to me ye the brief me to me friend oba ba me fie na ma friend say bedi It's a man who got your chairman general na man who say who Kwame Aplus or one of our boys no I am your co-equal me no what I say me mako invest to abrochiri me man me no mo te London no ba Ghana o mo plane ticket for some $20,000 business class which one will hit through man who me say one of our boys be na no that be man yes problem me start a campaign me ko ye 1 year consistent me ko ye yibima me nsiro bi esika consistent 1 year. So don't you see, show me respect, I'll show you respect. What I say? When you show me respect, I'll show you respect. Who be shia me wo ho no? Asema obe kan say, wo na wo tata aban no. Tio, Sefa Kayi be shia me Roman Ridge or Bismarck no. Wo na wo tata aban na wo kan abuni asensu kan government appointees won asem so mo ye corrupt ne. Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no eyoman bi so anko mu ekun dadaada Ghana ha na wo betumi aye saade no say eyoman bi so anka yekun dadaada enti for so many years ye tata atamils ye tata na owu ye kura na ye bema papa na rest in peace kura na ye tata no eno de na eyoman bi so me yenkun yen fa ne sai normal Mahama be the president from 20 years and they now support it. But many me ankasa me nuanom boys ye nya ntokwa ye nyina ye party fo ye nya ntokwa wo be ka kire me say your man bi so anka ekume de dada ba wo de wo say utumi tran wo de wo say utumi tran peace friend no de utumi kan NDC asem won your man bi so de anka wo de anka ye nkun won as me nua pani anya say bia wo nua bia wo nim ni so ma fa wo nua wo me no like I know you know me ye nyina tena ase before me see Amadia shopping center na ba a wine shop your one ye tena na ye boy ye jot be catch them say because of politics intino ene nya wo be nya di intino no wo interest intino na wo aban aba power intino mo bia nkasa bi o me kasa nka o say o man bia nko intino wo support say me can when people express themselves I will see you kun o what was your senior journalist enu na mami enu na Afriyie na time na so say de bia medi na tem won enya by force o udi matem 10 years ago na mankasa fashion 10 years later me me di watem enya by force udi me amindi ubi because udi matem na me di watem na kasa hey yente obi die no esa me die no yente me pese ho ye din silence in court na makame die na kire ti asema makutu so greatness if I can say me kan si so say enye se bia Kwame Aplus on your bodanfu just that Ghana for performing nyame my year but ye din me ya de enye but men kasa e wa ban adwumam e wo hospital wo baby a nurse nim say de no ye no bi bewu but emfa ne ho drive onim say with baby emfa ne ho boga me respond.
Let me quickly just respond briefly to the Afro barometer. My colleague has spent considerable time on our political language, our verbiage, our descriptions of each other and all of that. I really don't think that is where we should start from. Look, if democracy is working, you have high integrity, you are conducting yourself well, even when your opponents try to call you a thief, it is the masses who will expose you that, hey, shut up. You have no fact, you have no evidence. They will expose you. Hasn't it been going on this show? I watched a video from this show a few days ago, and I pitied that MP, Honorable Chinia. Oh, Mahama bought state land, Mahama. When you subjected him to strict proof, he said, oh, let's move on, let's, another day. You know, so that's what will be happening. If you come to power, you are not corrupt. You haven't engaged in insider dealing, in conflict of interest. You are not looting state lands. You are leading with integrity. You haven't appointed over 100 ministers. Your government is not bloated. You are not living a profligate lifestyle. You are not flying private charter when you have a presidential jet, 20,000 euros an hour. Meanwhile, you are telling everybody to tighten their belt. You can't find your belt at all. You are showering in the skies, 20,000 euros an hour. And the people say, hey, we are suffering. Unemployment is at an all-time high, 14.7%. You think that it is language that will resolve these issues? It's not a language matter. Look, let me share with you some frightening statistics. Very frightening statistics. And that is what the youth of our country are responding to. And you see, in these discussions, let's be very, very honest about it. If our colleague politicians in Guinea, in Burkina Faso, in Mali, in Kenya recently, and it's still going on, only yesterday, I pity President Ruto. Now he doesn't know what to do again. He's reduced his ministers, the institutions in his country by 47. He's dissolved 47 institutions. He has closed down offices of first ladies, second ladies. Say we won't spend on them again. Closed down. Suspended special assistants, PAs, reduced salaries by half. He has sacked all his ministers, everybody. He said, go home. The youth says, no, it's you we want. You are the one who was leading us poorly. We want you to go. We are not satisfied. Can you believe that? And only this week, the youth are out there again on the streets. So you see, if Kenyan politicians had this opportunity of Afro barometer and all the other surveys, and they approached it with honesty, they didn't hide under language and verbiage. The crisis that they have now, the military juntas that have taken over, they will not have taken over. So in Ghana, what is our current situation? The Ghana Trade Report says that Ghana imported food worth 26.7 billion in 2023. Can you believe that?
Dollars.
Yes, 26.7. These imports included guinea fowls, onions, tomatoes, fish, beef. We imported guinea fowls from Denmark. Can you believe that? Denmark. We have become the third largest importer of tomato paste from Germany. Tomato paste. We have more arable land than Germany. We have now become dependent on fish imports. We are also importing tomatoes from Burkina Faso and onions from Niger, which are semi-deserts. That is the Ghana Trade Report. Then you've seen the latest one by the Statistical Service, which reveals that 43.5% have experienced severe poverty through deprivations. The report also says that 24.3% of the household population are multidimensionally poor. A third of our population are multidimensionally poor. And 36.7% of people living in rural areas are the worst affected. Multidimensionally poor. I mean, very frightening statistics. Look at what is happening to pensioner bondholders. All of us in school, we were told that if you want to invest, or we used to join these clubs, motivational speakers will come as you are learning, and when you get your job and you leave school, you know, government securities, risk-free, they are the best. That's what they told us.
With the list, they have the least risk.
Yes, least risk. Be careful about those private guys. Now, I have more confidence going to give my money to Isaac Adongo to keep for me than this Akufo-Addo Bawumia government. I have more confidence. Isaac Adongo or Honorable Atufosin, our finance experts on the minority. I have more confidence. I will give them my money to keep for me than to go and look for Bawumia's government and its economic management team. For the first time in this country's history, we are undergoing a domestic debt exchange program. Meaning, government can't give you your own money back, your life savings. We are forced to take a haircut. Even if you are as bad as me, they say, come to the barber
peddle
shop.
such falsehood with ease. Why do you do that?
These are facts. Ghana is not going through.
But the domestic debt exchange means that your own money, government is not giving it
Yes,
back to
that
you.
is it.
Is that what it means?
It says you get a haircut. That's
You
what
get a haircut.
of what?
You get a haircut.
Haircut of what?
That is the
Haircut of what?
Now saying me.
Let me quickly just respond briefly.
Of what?
You get a haircut.
Haircut of what?
That is the
Haircut of what?
You haven't seen the pensioner bondholders.
Let's not do this.
You haven't seen the
Okay,
pensioner
look.
bondholders. Please. When you were talking, I didn't interfere. These are the facts. Pensioner bondholders can't get their life savings. They can't get it. They have to. Yes. Yeah, those who were demonstrating at the finance
Complete
are
lies.
ghosts. The
There were demonstrations, there were debates.
the former Chief Justice.
But nobody has been deprived
The
of his
former
money.
Chief Justice who joined them
Speak the truth.
is
They
a
helped.
ghost.
There were delays.
The
No
former
doubt.
Chief Justice of Akufo, who joined the protesters to picket at the Ministry of Finance, he was probably an imposter who went to the Ministry of Finance. And you see, this is the problem where even the people's pain will not be recognized. Government officials will not even sympathize with the people. After they have created this mess, what didn't we tell you in Parliament? When you were borrowing like there's no tomorrow. You borrowed at a point it was over 100% of GDP. Living lavishly. Appointed over 100 ministers. Look at the list of presidential staffers. Look at the reckless projects they were investing in. Whose idea was it that God suddenly, the only way Ghana can be blessed is if we have a $450 million national cathedral? Whose idea was that? To build it in 4 years. Grand, big, useless vision. No priority. When your hospitals don't have beds, they don't have incubators. Your hospitals don't have MRIs. That is what leads to the agitations. So
You will for winning and somewhere here Appiah Stadium or the two jar or to be man Kwame Sefa Kayi na or to be man so Kennedy Agyapong or the assembly be now at Appiah. Because just so and our no so we now subscribe ya. Momodi say over subscribe no like it now. What share video no amount for so may be arrest. Also with me at Gyamfi so we now our comment box more. Mobati in my next video.
Watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.